In this video, you're getting a full step-by-step guide on how to make your own simple AI cartoon videos or stick figure animations. Even if you have never done anything like this before, by the time you are finished, you'll be able to create results just like this.
Good morning, neighbors!
And honestly guys, it's easier than you think. Creators on YouTube use videos like this to get millions of views and to earn money. The best part is everything you need to make this video, like the script, the voiceover and the cartoon character, is 100% free. Completely AI. I'll show you the exact steps I followed to create this video and you'll be amazed by how simple it is. For ease of understanding, we'll be breaking this into 3 steps. The first step is to create your script or your story. The second is to create your character. And the final step is to animate your character. Starting with the script. Whatever type of animation you want to make, whether it's a stick figure or a 2D animation, you will need a script. If you already have a script, that's fine. But if you don't, you can create one for free using Gemini. Let's say you want to make an adventure story for children. All you have to do is to ask Gemini to generate a 10-minute script of a kiddie adventure story and write the dialogue for each character. And Gemini will do just that. It will write you a complete story, scene by scene and character by character. So, now that we have the scripts, let's move over to the next step, the character generation. For this tutorial, I'll be using a simple script or story of a boy riding his bicycle to school and saying good morning to his neighbor. So, let's import this prompt into Gemini. So now that Gemini is generating our character, remember that if you generated your script using Gemini, all you need to do is to ask Gemini to create the character for the script it has generated, and it will do just that. After you have your characters ready, the next thing you do is to ask Gemini to create the characters in the scene of the script, so you will have everything accordingly. Another way you can generate your animation character or stick figure is by going on Google and searching for the character you want to generate or the stick figure. For example, you go to Google and you search for stick figure character. You save and download the one you like. Then you take their image and head over to Gemini. You're going to ask Gemini to recreate this image for you. After Gemini is done recreating this image, you would then ask Gemini to create this character in the action of your script. For example, if your character is riding a bicycle in the script, I'll ask Gemini to create this stick figure riding a bicycle. So in that way, it's easy. If you don't know what to generate, you can easily use an already existing animation character and recreate it to make it yours. So now we are at the final part, to animate your image and bring them to life. Firstly, download the grok app on your phone and create an account. You click on the Imagine tab. Select the image you want to animate. This is our example. We are going to be using the exact image that we generate in Gemini. So just like that, grok will bring this scene to life and you will have a 6 seconds animation. So you will do this repeatedly for each scene you created using Gemini. Now the next thing you will do after this is to download this image, this animation and save it. Then you go to your video editor and stitch them together, scene by scene and character by character. So you have your animation ready and ready to post on YouTube or wherever social media you want to post it. So guys, there you have it. Please subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video and if you want to get more videos like this. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Good morning, neighbors!